Hi, I'm Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and I'm here with John Crestani.
What's up?
This is part 2 of a 5-part series, and today we're going to kind of talk about the difference between affiliate marketing and e-commerce, and give you guys some ideas of which direction you might want to go as you get started in this business. So John, obviously you're more of an affiliate marketer. I'm more of an affiliate marketer. However, I'm actually stopped here in LA today and I'm on my way to China. I'm going to China tonight, and we are working on an e-com business. I have an FBA guy that's going to be working for me, and then I have a Shopify guy that's going to be working for me full time. So we are delving into the e-com world.
Well, I don't want to convince you not to fly to China anymore, man. I have some thoughts on e-commerce, but
So tell me. Obviously, you've gone down more like the affiliate road, and I've gone down the affiliate road too, and we still do. And I have a full-time media buyer. We generate leads. We're in a number of different verticals right now. Where's your stance on, everybody out there is seeing a Shopify ad, and there's an FBA ad. Every time I turn on YouTube, there's another ad for this Shopify guy or this FBA guy. You don't see a lot of guys pushing affiliate marketing right now. You really don't. So talk to me about that.
Oh, well, first of all, you don't see a lot of guys pushing affiliate. People push anything that's hot at the time. You had 1,000 idiots, a million idiots pushing cryptocurrency recently.
Yeah, but that got banned.
That banned,
Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, anything Google related cannot run ICO or really crypto ads anymore.
Yeah. So people are always chasing the next hot fad. And the thing is, sales doesn't go away. At the end of the day, affiliate marketing, all it is it's online salesman. We're just selling stuff online, and the only difference is we do it through little blog posts or Facebook posts or little videos or whatever, and we don't have to deal with any of the other stuff.
Let's talk about that for a second. You said a blog post. Are we talking like an advertorial?
No, I'm talking a blog post. Sometimes people call them flogs.
Flogs. Okay.
And farticles.
Okay.
But yeah, really it's blog posts. You could be blogging about the best top 10 credit cards or whatever, 2018. It doesn't really matter.
So basically what you're trying to do is to get people to read your article or whatever it is, and then in there you'll have some links, affiliate links, and they click on that link, they put in their email, and in a lot of cases that might be where the payout happens, or if they fill out some kind of form, they may get a payout at that point. Somebody gets paid at that point.
Yeah, there's a million ways to do it, but basically it's through personal blogs, it's through news, more like sort of like company run like news sites, or it's through you can either do personal videos or like company videos, basically.
Okay.
So it's like it would be, look, I'm the sleep. I won't go. You wanted to know the difference between affiliate marketing and e-commerce,
correct?
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me.
How do you sell e-commerce versus if you're online, you're running ads too for e-commerce.
Sure.
It's the same thing. Now the big difference being is that you actually have to ship a product, and you actually probably have some kind of customer service.
So in both cases, you're using maybe a Facebook post or a YouTube video to reach people to sell a product. The difference between affiliate marketing and e-commerce is, with e-commerce, obviously you own the product. You have to do inventory. You have like a warehouse where you have like inventory, and there's like various models, like maybe you can drop ship.
There's drop shipping from China. Everybody kind of talked about that at one time. That was more popular.
Yeah. But the basis of e-commerce, you still have to have and I'm just going to bash e-commerce here because I'm very biased, but so sorry. You have to have a website to do e-commerce. You don't have to have a website at all to do affiliate marketing.
Correct.
So you have to have like a Shopify store or something.
WooCommerce, Shopify, there's a number of different platforms out there.
A number of different things. The second thing is you have to provide customer support. Even if you're hosting your stuff on Amazon, which is saturated, you have to provide customer support in some way, shape, or form. And let me tell you, customer support is not fun.
No, it's not.
And affiliate marketing, you don't have any inventory, you don't have any products, you don't have any customer support, you don't have any distributor relationships or warehouses or any of this stuff to deal with. You're just in the middle, nobody even knows you're there, and you just make money. So that's the...
You're buying traffic, You're generating a call, an email form fill of some sort, and then that's when the money comes in.
And I haven't had any employees for years, and I've been making millions. So,
Very
you know,
interesting.
yeah.
Very interesting. Well, you know, obviously that's your bias on e-commerce. I tend to agree
You're
with
doing
you.
some cool stuff, though.
Yeah, I tend to agree with you on some levels. I think that there's still some opportunity in e-commerce if you can build a
Yeah.
brand. I think
It's a competitive advantage.
yeah, if-
Totally.
you know, my angle right now is, you know, I'm not going to go after and try to sell trinkets and fidget spinners and all the other crap that you know has fizzled out. I'm going over to China to potentially see if I something catches my eye or an idea to possibly build like some kind of a brand. Because I built a brand, this is one of my brands, and I built a brand up over 15 years, so I have experience building a brand, and I still feel like there's an opportunity, big opportunity, if you can get a really good brand. I mean, I think that's the only way. But, you know, if you're just getting started, like most of you guys are probably out there are, I think that a good place to start to learn how to market is affiliate marketing.
Yeah, and,
So-
and also, like, if you have obviously I'm biased, but if you have a product, you could have the affiliates working for you,
selling your product.
stuff.
And it has become a little more popular in the space lately too, with some of our affiliate networks, is you can actually be an affiliate for a physical product.
Yeah.
Like for example, like a flashlight of some sort. There's a ton of like, you know, e-commerce products out there that you can just drive traffic, make the sale, and you get paid, and you don't have to deal with the customer service or warehousing the product. So that's become a nice popular niche out there. So for those of you out there that are watching this, you know, you could potentially be an affiliate for an e-commerce brand, and you could be an affiliate marketer, or you could go ahead and just be an affiliate marketer, or you could potentially just go into e-commerce. So that's it for today. We'll see you guys in part 3. Talk to you later.